Hey everybody, today we're going to do Jerusalem Artichokes. We got them ready to harvest. Sped this up a little bit because it's kind of tedious, but what I'm doing here is I'm pulling out all of the plants. These are a member of the sunflower family. They're kind of cousins to the regular sunflowers, but these produce tubers rather than seeds. Testing out some new camera settings in this video, so if you notice anything different, that's why. Hopefully the color tones are improved. Yeah, so like I said, these are a tuber. Technically, they can be considered a perennial because they will die back and the tubers will stay in the ground and resprout next year. But I'm trying to clear them out of here. I've got plans for this bed, and I've got a plan for another place to put Jerusalem Artichokes for next time. So I'm working on that. Yeah, as you can see, this is very, very tedious. Just constantly digging. Sometimes you just gotta throw all the tools out of the way and just start digging with your hands. These are probably a little more tedious than sweet potatoes or regular potatoes. Here's a closer look at what we're harvesting here. They're very interesting looking. What you do is you peel these and then go ahead and slice them up and roast them kind of like a turnip or a potato, just on a baking sheet. And that's it. Those are dug up, and only thing left to do is to compost all of the stalks. Here I am chopping these up with a machete. Be very careful if you do use a machete. It is not the most graceful tool when you make a mistake, so be very careful. And there you go. Another bed ready for the fall. Constant airplane noises. And thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you again next week.